Hi, good morning. I am Mayan Madero, and today I will be reciting the philosophy, vision, and mission and goals of the JRMSU DePaul campus. Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principles of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and technipreneurial training with the aim of producing a highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individuals. Vision. A dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in the southern Philippines, 2020 to 2024. Goals: globally competitive educational institution, resilient to internal and external risk and hazards, innovative processes and solutions in research translated to extension engagements, partnerships and collaborations with private enterprise, other higher education institutions, government agencies, and alumni, sound financial management and participatory governance.